Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. Let us get started our video without any delay.
Dear friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss about Vandamalayan Hospital job openings for Madurai and Dindigul location. Firstly, if you type in a Google search bar like Vandamalayan VADAMALAYAN, you will get a website address like this. Just click on this website address. It will be loaded and it will go to home page. You can check about the hospital, what is the things like when it is established, what are the things they do, and who is the founder. Everything detailed information is provided, and it is must to read about any organization before you apply for a job, because you will be asked in interview why you are interested in that organization to work. So it is must you must check about the company and what they work, what is the departments they have, what are the services they offer like this, and what are the locations they serve like this. You need to know about basic information about the organization. And it is established in 1957. If you see, it is a very great organization having a lot of experience in this domain, hospital industry. So we will check the what are the job openings available one by one. If you click on the career space, you can go to the job openings page listed here. See here. So if you see, check here, once they provided the email id, you can share your resume at the provided email id. Email id is hr@vadamalayyan.org. To this email id you have to share your resume, and also they have provided the official address details here. And if you have any questions or queries, you can contact on the given phone numbers also. And contact numbers, this is Madurai location. They also have the Dindigul, also they have the, like if we click on contact, we can see here also we can see like this is Madurai location and this is Dindigul location. See here. So they have the openings in both locations. I'll explain what are the openings they have. Click on the career space. So you can share your resume. If you are not in if you want also, you can send your resume and your documents as well to the provided address, HR department, to the provided address. You can see here. And also this is also best way. Sometimes their inbox Gmail will be like full of the emails, and your email may go to spam. So it is better to send both soft copies and hard copies always. And if you see, this is the contact numbers. You can contact on the given phone numbers for any questions or queries regarding salary details like that. You can get to know more information. Contact numbers are 8870 and 882888, and landline number is 045225454488. Let us see what are the openings they have. If you select location here, you can see filter, like all the Dindigul comes first, then Madurai location comes first. And qualification wise also you can do the starting letter, like the qualification starting letters will be coming first in alphabetical order, like that. Even experience also like that only. Special requirements like only for female candidates, male or female, like this they have provided the job position as well. In the in a alphabetical order you can filter. All these filters are available. Okay, so I filtered using the location. So for Dindigul location we can see there is openings for consultant general medicine. And qualification, if we see, should have MD or DNB, general medicine, internal medicine, family medicine. Any of this is a qualification, and minimum 3 years of experience is required. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role consultant general medicine. So next one is ECG technician for Dindigul location, and qualification is should have a ECG technician certificate and minimum 1 year of experience, or freshers are also eligible for this job role, ECG technician, and only female candidate is eligible for this ECG technician job role. And then if we see ECHO technician, for the Dindigul location only, for this also qualification is ECHO technician certificate is required, and minimum 1 year of experience, or freshers also eligible for the job role ECHO technician, and only female candidate is eligible. Next, if we see resident medical officer, and qualification is MBBS, minimum 5 to 10 years of experience is required for this job role, resident medical officer, and both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role, resident medical officer. So like this, for Madurai location also we can see there is a openings for pharmacist. Qualification is diploma in pharmacy or bachelor's in pharmacy. Freshers are also eligible, and who have experience also both can apply. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role pharmacist. Next, if we see scrub nurse, for this BSc nursing DGNM is a qualification, and 2 years of experience in operation theatre is required, and only female candidate is eligible for this job role, scrub nurse. And a senior staff nurse, in the job role itself it is telling senior, so freshers are not eligible for this job role. Minimum 3 years and above is required. Minimum 3 years of experience and above. Qualification if you see BSc nursing DGNM, and both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role, senior staff nurse. Next, senior staff nurse for chemotherapy ward, and this is a particular department. Both only female candidate is eligible for this job role, male candidates are not eligible, and minimum 2 to 5 years of experience in chemotherapy ward experience is required. And qualification if you see BSc nursing and DGNM. And also this is one option, you can apply using the provided email ID or the address. You can find the Dindigul address. If you click on contact, you can find, and also here also available downside, you can say here Dindigul location, you can see. Okay, and if you want to apply through website only, there is an option. If you click on apply now button, you will be redirected to the apply for a job page. See here, post applied for. Here you have to fill. Open the careers page in another page. I will show. So this, if you wanted to apply, let us take like fresher job. Like this one is a fresher. So if you want to apply for ECG technician, just take this job role. You can copy it and go here. Post applied for. If you want to apply for this job role, you have to put a job role here, like what is the job role here, post. So you have to paste here. You can copy from there and paste here, and your name, email ID, and address details, contact number, and resume. And this is verification captcha. Okay, you can apply. You can upload the resume here. It will be easy. You can just enter this EPHQ, and you can click on the send button. If you face any problem, let me know in comments. Definitely I will be replying for that. If you have any questions or queries, let me know in comments. Definitely I will be checking each and every comment, and I will be very happy to help you guys. I'll be coming up with more new job openings in Madurai location and Dindigul location and all over Tamil Nadu major cities, and I am covering. I'm trying to cover all over city, like major cities in India, entire India and South India, and the entire Tamil Nadu state as well.
That's it in this video, guys. Please subscribe my channel to encourage me to do more videos, and I will be coming up with a new topic in the next video. Please like, share our video with your friends and family members as well. And if you want me to speak on any topic, let me know in comments. Thank you.